If you like watching relatable and easy psychology content, subscribe to Psychology in Minutes. Imagine waking up feeling anxious. Your stomach feels tight, your mood feels off, and you can't explain why. You assume the problem is in your mind. But what if the real problem is in your gut? Scientists now believe that the bacteria living in your digestive system may play a major role in your mood, stress levels, and even depression. And the most surprising part? Your gut and brain are constantly talking to each other. The hidden connection, the gut-brain axis. Inside your gut live trillions of microorganisms, bacteria, fungi, and other microbes. Together, they form something called the gut microbiome. And these microbes communicate with your brain through what scientists call the gut-brain axis, a complex communication network involving the nervous system, immune system, hormones, and even the vagus nerve connecting the gut and brain. This means your gut doesn't just digest food, it actually sends chemical messages to your brain. These microbes produce molecules like short-chain fatty acids and neurotransmitters that influence mood, stress responses, and inflammation in the body. And here's a shocking fact. About 90% of serotonin, the feel-good neurotransmitter, is produced in the gut, not the brain. Your gut isn't just part of digestion, it's part of your emotional system. Relatable, everyday examples. Think about the last time you felt extremely stressed. Did you notice your stomach reacting? Butterflies before an exam, nausea before a big presentation, loss of appetite during anxiety. That's the gut-brain connection happening in real time. But the relationship also works the other way around. When your gut microbiome becomes unbalanced, something scientists call dysbiosis, it can affect mood and mental health. For example, poor diet, antibiotics, stress, and lack of sleep can disrupt gut bacteria. This imbalance can trigger inflammation, hormone changes, and disruptions in neurotransmitters, all of which are linked to depression and anxiety. So sometimes when people say, "I feel it in my gut," they're actually describing real biology, what new research is discovering. Over the last decade, the field of microbiome science has exploded. Researchers are discovering just how powerful the gut-brain connection really is. In experiments with animals, scientists found that mice raised without gut bacteria showed extreme anxiety-like behavior. But when researchers introduced healthy bacteria into their gut, their behavior returned to normal. Even more fascinating, when scientists transplanted gut bacteria from depressed humans into mice, the mice began showing depression-like behaviors. This suggests that gut bacteria may influence how the brain processes stress and emotion. Human studies also show that people with depression or anxiety often have different gut microbiome compositions compared to healthy individuals. Scientists are now investigating whether improving gut health could become a new way to support mental health treatment. How gut health can improve mental health. The exciting part is that the gut microbiome is highly adaptable. What you eat, how you sleep, and how you manage stress can change your gut bacteria. Research shows certain diets and nutrients may help improve both gut and mental health. For example, high-fiber foods, fermented foods, and diverse plant-based diets support beneficial bacteria. Some studies suggest probiotics and dietary changes may reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety in certain people. Scientists are even exploring a new category of treatments called psychobiotics. These are probiotics specifically designed to influence brain function through the gut microbiome. Although the research is still developing, early findings are promising. The future of mental health treatment. The gut-brain axis is opening an entirely new field in medicine. Researchers believe that in the future, mental health treatment may include personalized microbiome testing, diet-based therapies, microbiome-targeted medications, advanced probiotics designed for brain health. Some studies even suggest gut imbalance can affect memory and learning by triggering inflammation in the brain. Understanding the gut microbiome could help scientists develop new strategies for conditions like depression, anxiety, and neurological diseases. In other words, the future of mental health treatment might not just involve therapy or medication, but also the ecosystem living inside your gut. Meaningful ending. For most of history, we believed the mind and body were separate. mental health belonged to the brain, physical health belonged to the body, but science is slowly revealing something deeper. Your brain, your gut, your immune system, and even the bacteria inside you are part of one interconnected system. Your thoughts influence your gut. Your gut influences your emotions. And the tiny microbes inside you are quietly shaping how you feel every day. So the next time you think about mental health, remember this. Sometimes the path to a healthier mind starts with taking care of what's happening in your gut. If you like watching relatable and easy psychology content, subscribe to Psychology in Minutes.